right? Now, if the profit you have to solve in part B is in terms of n and m, then the catch is to replace m by n minus 1 and n minus 1 is the total number of firms, and replace n by n minus 1. In other words, if you find the profit of the leader as a function of n and m, now you only have n minus 1 leaders, and the number of firms is reduced by 1. So, in order to evaluate the leaders' incentive to merge, you have to compare pi L n minus 1 n minus 1 to the total profit of two leaders before the merger, in which you have 2 times of pi L before the merger is n for the total number of firms, and m is the total number of leaders. Right? Now, what if the two followers merge into one? Now, it is pretty much the same analytical framework as before. As we have two followers merge into one, we also have n minus 1 for the total number of firms. But the number of leaders do not change because we still have n leaders. So what you need to do is to compare the profit of, let me erase these, the profit of the follower after they merge, and n is replaced by n minus 1, while we still have the same number of leaders. Whether the followers merged profit is larger than the separate profits of the two followers before they merge. Make sense? And last of all, what if a leader merges with a follower? We have now there are n minus 1 as the total number of firms because when two merges into one. But since the leader acquires the follower and the merged firm is a leader, we still have the same number of leaders in the market. So we're analyzing the case with n minus 1 and m, in which we have to compare the post-merger profit of the leader, which is pi L n minus 1 n, as the profit of this merged firm, to see whether it is larger than the profit of the leader and the profit of the follower before the merger. Right? Before the merger, there were n firms in the market within which m firms are leaders. So add up the profit of the leader and the follower separately before the merger to see if the merged firm after the merger would be greater. In the case of n minus 1 firms in the market within which we still have m leaders post-merger. Don't be shocked because you can read the paper to just do the algebra yourself. Just spend some time to read the paper and then you will figure out these results are consistent with the paper. And the last part is ask you to see the comparative statistics in which the profit gain for the merger between the leader and the follower is the post-merger profit minus the pre-merger profit. This is the profit gain, right? Delta pi. Now, you want to see whether delta pi would increase or decrease with n. And what if n tends to infinity of delta pi? right? Just be careful about the derivative because it is very easy to make mistakes. When you have multiple terms involving n and m in the numerator or the denominator, if you are not sure about the results or if the results are very complicated, in other words, if you have something very messy, double check the results because the derivatives and the limit of n tends to infinity is very clear. You shouldn't have something messy in part B. Okay?